Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my current favorite makeup products for you guys. I will have everything linked in the description box below for easy reference. And without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Obsessed with this eyeshadow palette, first of all. This is from the brand Clio. This is the Pro Eye Palette Mini in Mono Mood. It's so good, guys. Like, look at these colors. I mean, first of all, like, these are so pretty. The neutrals in this palette is absolutely amazing. You've got mattes, you've got shimmers, you've got glitters, like gorgeous, guys. This is a really beautiful palette. And this is the Clio Pro Eye Palette Mini in the shade 01 Mono Mood. Yeah, you basically got like 6 colors in here. So you can take this traveling and you can basically, you know, create like a really beautiful eye look. And this palette is very, you know, compact and easy to carry, so it's very travel friendly. So yeah, recommend it to you guys. Quick one, guys, this is I think like social media favorite now. This is the Dior blush, and this is in the shade Rosy Glow. So this is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow blush in 001 Pink. It's so fluorescent, and I just think it makes you look so nice in the summertime. Like, this is actually neon when you put it on, but it doesn't matter because in the summer we can wear whatever we want, and this makes you look so good. This makes your complexion look amazing. It just adds the most beautiful pink glow to your cheeks. It just creates the most perfect pinky flush color on your skin. And sorry guys, I have a ring light on, so I'm scared it's like flashing you guys, but the packaging of this is very nice as well. I think it's worth every penny, guys. Next, guys, I have another eyeshadow palette. I really like this one as well. This is from Para, and this is the Matte Full Rose eyeshadow palette. Basically, it just looks like this. So it's also got an array of really beautiful, you know, shimmers, glitters, and mainly matte colors. And I got really scared when I received this palette. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be using like a mauve, like a purple eyeshadow palette. But actually it's super duper flattering, and I think the first like taupey color is the most beautiful, like brown. It's a very nice cool tone brown, so I think it's great for nose contouring and like adding the color to your crease. I think it's a really nice cool tone brown. And you know, this light pink color is really beautiful as well. I've been dipping into that a lot. And these two glitters, like, is it glitters or shimmers? I'm pretty sure it's a glitter and a shimmer. Really beautiful as well. And then this dark brown is just like a really nice deep chocolatey brown as well. So I mean, guys, like, pick this up if you want a really good like neutral palette, but also some like mauves and pinks and sparkles to add to your eye look. All right, guys, I want to talk about 2 mascaras. I don't really use mascara anymore, so I guess before that, let me tell you guys about my favorite lash glue. I feel like if you guys aren't using DUP, you know, lash glue, then you have to try it. Like, it's literally my favorite. This was a little bit too like not tacky, like not dry enough like when I purchased it. So I feel like as I used it, more air went into the packaging. It's a little bit tackier now. It's like the perfect consistency right now. It's so good. It is just the best eyelash glue because the applicator is also very easy to use and it's very nice. I don't know how the black one is. Like, I don't know why I've always been too freaked out to try out black eyelash glue, but I don't know, like, I feel like black eyelash glue might be helpful actually, but this is just the clear one from DUP. If you guys aren't using this already, definitely check it out because it's very good and it keeps your eyelashes on the entire day for the most part, because sometimes mine fall off, but for the most part, success rate is pretty high with this. All right, the 2 mascaras I recommend if you don't use eyelashes. I use fake lashes every day. I don't do eyelash extensions. I just put them on every day. But I have one from Hamish. This is really good. This is the, what is this? I don't know, just a Hamish mascara. And then I have the Merit one too. These are both so good. I feel like I've tested out so many mascaras, but these two, like, the texture is great. It's not too wet, it's not too dry, it's not clumpy, but it also adds volume to your lashes. But yeah, it's so nice. It's lengthening, it's volumizing, especially for like Asian lashes. And also the main selling factor about why I love these 2 mascaras is that they don't run. Guys, you don't understand. All mascaras run on me. Like, I don't know why. Is it because, like, you know, I think it's because I use eye cream and like my under eye might be too like hydrated, so it like, I don't know, touches my under eyes and then like smudges. But these mascaras don't, like, they are very good. They don't smudge. So if you guys are in need of a non-smudge mascara, definitely check out these two. I'm pretty sure all mascaras are pretty hard to remove, but these are okay. I mean, they're not waterproof, so I mean, it's not the easiest to remove. That's why I don't like wearing mascara. Like, I like using lashes, is because I don't want to like tug at my eye area, but these are pretty good. And yeah, so I'll link it in the description box. All right, guys, the last item I have to recommend with you guys is also an oldie but a goodie. This is from Too Cool for School. This is the Art Class by Rodin bronzer, and I have the lighter one, I think. Yeah, I have the lighter one of the two shades. So good. Like, I feel like it's the most natural contour. You know, the texture of the powder is very good as well. This lighter brown is so good. I always use the lighter brown and the middle brown for nose contouring, and then I kind of dip into all three. I think I dip into the first and second color if I want to do a nice nose contour, and then I just dip the brush into all three colors if I want to contour the rest of my face. It's so good, guys. The color is so natural. It doesn't matter if you have too much of a heavy hand with this bronzer because it's so good. Like, it's not too pigmented, so it will not like fuck up your makeup if you do go in with a heavy hand, which I appreciate because I'm not the best at makeup either, but this bronzer is so good. Highly recommend if you guys are looking for like a nice K-beauty bronzer or contour. And yeah, I recommend the lighter shade of the two because it's a little bit more cool toned. I think cool toned, you know, contours just work better than warm tone ones. So I like the lighter one of the two. And yeah, I'm really in love with this. I think I have two. We love it. Definitely highly recommend this product. Their blushes are okay. Like, I've tried out the Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin blush, but I prefer the contour from this brand a lot more than the blush. 3CE usually has better blushes, so the bronzer is good though. All right, guys, that is pretty much the end of my current favorite beauty products video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.